Several new technologies like geothermal heat pumps can dramatically improve a community's resilience and drive financial returns for investors and governments. However, data is often incomplete or siloed, and public data varies in reliability and relevance. Adding to the complexity, no two locations share the same physical characteristics. They differ in geography, climate, and conditions both above and below the surface. As seen here, the subsurface temperature increases as you go further below the surface, and the temperature at any given depth varies with location. Projects frequently get stuck, spending time and money acquiring data, even for locations which have no chance of penciling. Instead of getting stuck before you start, actual synthesizers help get the ball rolling faster. Project originators can determine the financial performance and technical viability of each site, collaborating with stakeholders aided by AI-driven inference models. As key sensitivities are identified, data can be acquired in a more targeted and systematic way. Our science-based models allow project leadership to validate risks and project outcomes by providing transparency into key driving variables down to specific energy requirements. Once data collection is no longer a barrier, Actuals Optimizer accelerates the initial assessment by enabling planners to advance projects that meet key benchmarks and direct resources to sites that fit financial constraints at scale. Building a portfolio for large-scale projects that aligns with investor cash flow requirements while satisfying customer demand is time, resource, and capital intensive. Our optimizer enables you to strategically assess site viability and construct a concrete financial roadmap for your portfolio of sites. Once a plan is built and being carried out, the platform serves as a central system of record, ensuring plans stay current and easily accessible to all involved. You can upload real-time photos, relevant documents, and progress updates directly into the system. As the project evolves, the AI optimizer continuously leverages new data and financial outcomes to keep future projects up to date in real time. By unifying the science, project parameters, and business models in one place, Actual allows you to rapidly build high-quality investment plans and unlock project capital. And once the project is funded and being built, Actual allows you to adjust the plan as parameters change and keep all stakeholders on the same page.